everyone, good day. My name is Quiara with the QQIARA and this is my partner Happy. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please do hit that subscribe button down below. So for today's video, we will be cooking, and it's rainy seasons now here in the Philippines, and we always wanted to have that hot pot for our comfort food. So I will be making a new variation of soup, which is tahong tofu egg yolk soup. Tahong is mussels in English, and it's an excellent source of selenium, vitamin B12, zinc, and folate. And the tofu is high in protein, so it's very delicious and it's inexpensive. So without further ado, let's start and let's begin cooking. For the ingredients, we need mussels. We boil the mussels and remove it from the shell, the mussels broth, the malunggay, garlic, cheese, a slice of lemon, and butter. Some spring onion, tofu, and olive oil, and of course the egg. Melt the butter with low heat to avoid burning butter. Saute the garlic. Add some olive oil and saute the mussels. In tinolang tahong, you also include the shell. But in this dish, I removed the shell so you won't be bothered enough to remove the shell while eating. Then, add the tofu gently because we don't like to break our tofu. After 1 or 2 minutes, we add the mussels broth, cover, and we wait for it to boil. Add a chunk of cheese. The cheese will come along with the soup, and the soup will become creamier and cheesier. Some few drops of lemon para mawala yung lansa or the fishy smell. Then we add the malunggay to be more nutritious. Then add the egg. Let's drop and stir it very gently not to break the tofu. Add the spring onions. A pinch of salt and pepper to taste, and some oregano for aroma. So grab your kutsara and mangkok because it is ready to serve. So this ends my video for today, and thank you for watching. I hope you really did enjoy watching, and please do hit that like button and subscribe button down below. Please also to visit my channel. You are always welcome to my channel and watch my other cooking videos. So bye, thank you, and see you on my next video.